Welcome to Spyder Auto's Step Bar Installation Guide for the Dodge Durango. Before we get started, you'll need the following: a 19mm socket and ratchet, and you should probably have some extensions for it. Here we have our Durango with the contents of your step bar kit laid out next to it. Here we have the rear bracket and its related hardware. Following up to the front, we have the front bracket and its hardware as well. Start at the front of the truck just behind the front tire. Now for the first mounting point of our step bars. This largely donut-shaped thing here is going to be the first bolt we're going to loosen. That's going to be a 19mm. Use your 19mm socket and an extension to loosen the bolt. It is a long one, so keep at it for a while. Almost there. And now it's free. Your step bar will include a new bolt, but make sure to retain that for reference. This is how you assemble the bracket with the bolt and the donut-shaped spacer. Moving to the back, now we'll look just ahead of the rear tire. Once again, we're looking for another donut-shaped object. And there it is. Remove the 19mm bolt holding it in place. Now you can remove the bolt and the donut. Let's have a look at how the rear bracket goes together. This is the long side, and this is the short. Orient the bracket like so. With the short side up top, slide the bolt through and then mount the donut. Now to mount the bars themselves to the brackets. Take the short bolt and slide it through the hole to feed into the opening on the step bar. Tighten it down, and be sure to keep your brackets oriented the correct direction. You should leave a little bit of slack in so that the bracket can slide back and forth, making it much easier to install it and align it correctly. After repeating the process on both ends, now we can install the bar onto the body. In our experience, the easiest method to mount the bar to the body in this application was to assemble the brackets to the bar and then install the brackets to the body, and then tighten everything down in that order. However, you can go in any order you'd like. Now we'll just reinstall that last bracket bolt as we did on the other side. Remount the donut, line up the holes, and then just torque down that 19mm. After tightening down this bolt, just repeat the process on the other side and we're finished. Congratulations, you successfully installed a set of Spyder Auto step bars on your Dodge Durango.